Hello everyone, this is Dr. Jyoti Digulwani with your statistics. Now, our today's session is about the missing frequency and median for ungrouped data. Here, one question is given to us. I am reading the information. From the following information, find out missing frequency when x bar is 60. So see what is given in our question. In our question, they have provided us the class, the frequency and the x bar. This is given to us. Now on the basis of this information, we have to find out missing frequency. Now, what is missing frequency? So, see, classes are given. What classes are given to us? 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70. These classes are given to us. Then, next column is given frequency. Now, which frequencies are provided? 9, 6, 10. Now, here there is a one question mark. Question mark, that means here frequency is not given. Then 20, 15, 3. This is our question. As well as with that, x bar is also provided. X bar is provided as 60. On the basis of this information, we have to calculate our missing frequency. Now do the first thing, as missing frequency is there, so to that you can assume one value, alphabetical value. Here alphabetical value is assumed as x. You can assume any alphabetical value. You can assume ABCD or you can assume Y, you can assume Z. It depends on you which alphabetical value you want to assume over here. So I have assumed over here x. After having all the information, our first requirement is always to find out xi. How to calculate this xi? We have done this before also. That is in the group data of the mean. So first of all, when two values are given to us and when we want to find out x, at that time first value plus second value divided by 2 is to be done. So see here 0 plus 10 divided by 2. So you are going to get answer 5. Then 10 plus 20 divided by 2. So our answer is 15. 20 plus 30 divided by 2, our answer is 25. 30 plus 40 divided by 2, our answer is 35. 40 plus 50 divided by 2, our answer is 45. 50 plus 60 divided by 2, answer is 55. 60 plus 70 divided by 2, answer is 65. So in this way, always we have to find out our x first. Now, here see, I have put it the formula of x bar equals to sigma fi xi divided by n. Now, when we are going with the classes, at that time we are using the formula of x bar equals to a plus sigma fi di divided by n into I. Here you can use that formula also, or you can go with this simple formula also. In your classes type of data, you can use both the formulae, that is with the a plus as well as with the sigma fi xi. Here with this formula we can do our calculation easily. That's why I have chosen this formula, that is x bar equals to sigma fi xi divided by n. Now we have to check our formula, and according to our formula we have to prepare our columns. Here, according to formula, x bar equals to sigma fi xi divided by n is written. So, see, x bar is given in our question. So, what we have to do? Put this x bar directly as it is given in our question. So, x bar is given 60. We have put it over here 60 as it is. Then, next requirement is sigma fi xi. That is fi into xi. Xi is already defined by us. That means now we have to just multiply frequency with the xi. Then as we will do the summation, directly we will get the value of fi into xi divided by n. And that is what you know very well. We have already learned n equals to sigma fi. Sigma fi करोगे, that is total of your frequency. तो आपको क्या मिल जाएगा? n. तो now let us start with the total of frequency, as we have already defined our xi. Now do the total of this frequency. So 9 plus 6 plus 10, plus x. अब see x is to be put it as it is. Why? Because there is a no value there in the frequency. So 9 plus 6 plus 10 plus 20 plus 15 plus 3. Now if you add all this value, so your answer is 63 plus remaining value x, because x value is not defined over here right now. So what we have to do, we have to put this x as it is with the addition, that is 63 plus x. When we will add all these values, that is 9 plus 6 plus 10 plus 20 plus 15 plus 3, then it is going to give us total 63 plus value of x is not given over here, we have to add x over here, that is plus x. So this is our answer of n. This is our n. Directly if you want to put over here into the formula, then you can put over here also. 60 is already putted by us, n equals to 63 plus x is putted over here. Now as per our formula, there is a requirement of last one, sigma fi xi, that is multiplication of frequency with the x bar. तो let us multiply frequency with the x, ये दोनों को multiply करना है. So now 9 into 5, so your answer is 45. 6 into 15, so answer is 90. 10 into 25, answer is 250. 35 into x, so your answer will be 35x. See, you can multiply it, but your answer will reveal with the assumed alphabet, that is 35x. Then 20 into 45, 900. 15 into 55, 825. 3 into 65, 195. So this is our column 1, sigma fi xi. When we multiply this fi into xi, so our column 1 will be fi into xi. Now do the summation of this. Column 1 fi into xi, 45 plus 90 plus 250 plus 900 plus 825 plus 195. So it gives us total of 2305 plus. Now see, this value is not added in the total. Why? Because 35 is in the multiplication of the x and x value is not there with us. So just do the total of all this value except the 35x. So total of all this value is 2305 plus 35x. So this is your sigma fi xi. Now put this sigma fi xi into the formula. So see, here we have put it sigma fi xi divided by n में 2305 plus 35x divided by 63 plus x. Now this equation is in division. If we take it to the next side, so it will be in the multiplication. So how we have to multiply it? That is firstly with the 63. 60 into 63. So it is going to give us answer 3780. Again 60 into x, so answer is 60x. So 3780 plus 68 equals to, this equation to the right hand side is put it as it is. जैसे दिया था वैसे ही हमें प्लेस करना है. Now again solid, इसको हम सॉल्व कैसे कर सकते हैं? तो here 3780 and 2305 is to be taken to the one side. ये एक साइड हमें लेके जाना है इसको, and 60x as well as 35 is taken to the next side. इसको हमें दूसरी साइड लेके जाना है. तो यहाँ पे जब इसको सॉल्व करोगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? 3780 minus 2305 equals to 35x minus 60x. तो यहाँ पे फाइनल आंसर आपको क्या मिलेगा? दैट इज 1475 minus 25x. Now 25 is in the multiplication. 25 यहाँ पे multiplication में है. If you take it to the next side, तो it will be into the division. तो देखो ये division में आ जाएगा आपका value. तो here 1475 divided by 25 equals to minus x. Now minus x अगर आपको माइनस रखना हो तो माइनस में रख सकते हो, माइनस नहीं रखना हो तो minus 25 यहाँ पे कर दोगे तो भी अल्टीमेटली आंसर आपका किस में आएगा? इंटू माइनस. तो x equals to minus 59. So this is our missing frequency. Here I am calculating one question of this missing frequency. Other questions are already calculated in the class. So you go through all the questions and calculate it again. Now Next method that we are going to calculate here is median. So see what is median? Median, that is known as your mean value. It is also known as your average value. This is also one average, but this is a average which is defined from all the values after putting it into the ascending order. इसको ascending order में रखना होता है. Now again there are two types, ungrouped data and group data. Ungrouped data means what? You know very well, where only numbers are given to us. So see here numbers are given to us, then it becomes our ungrouped data. This is the formula of our ungrouped data median, that is m equals to n plus 1 divided by tooth observation. M denotes median and that is your number of observation plus 1 divided by tooth observation. So let us calculate our question number 1 as it is given. Find the median from the following series, and the values are given 24, 29, 12, 33, 10, 20, 46 and 20. These values are given to us. Now first work which we have to do is put these values into ascending order. Ascending order, that means from lowest to highest. Lower value से higher value जाएंगे, that is known as our ascending order. So see, from this question only we have to define the lower value. So lower value is 10, then उसके बाद higher value है 12, then 20, then again 20. If value is repeated again and again, then too we have to put it into series. Value अगर बार बार repeat होती है तो भी इसको series में place करना है. So 20 is put it 2 times over here because in question it is given 2 times. In the same way, next higher value is 24, then 29, then 33, then 46. So in this way we have put it our question into ascending order. Now our final answer is always based on the ascending order. Ascending order के ऊपर ही final answer चलता है. Now number of observation, count the numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 numbers are there, so our n equals to 8. So this is our full question. Now on the basis of this question we have to calculate median. So let us put the formula of median. Median equals to n plus 1 divided by tooth observation. N is at 8. So put over here in formula 8 plus 1 divided by tooth observation divided by 2. So 8 plus 1, that is 9. 9 divided by tooth observation. So next we are going to get what? हमें मिलेगा यहाँ पे 4.5th observation. Now what is 4.5th observation? That is not exact 4th observation, not exact 5th observation. तो यहाँ पे दोनों के बीच का वैल्यू आया है, तो हमें यहाँ पे क्या करना है? That is 4th observation plus 5th observation divided by 2. Now in our question we have to check what is our 4th observation, what is our 5th observation. So see, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is our 4th observation, this is our 5th observation. So what we have to do, put these values over here. 4th observation is 20, 5th observation is 24. So 20 plus 24 divided by 2. So answer is 44 divided by 2. So final answer m equals to 22. Now see, if directly it is given in our question 5th observation, so direct your final answer is going to be 5th observation only. 5th observation मतलब 5वें नंबर पे जो वैल्यू होगा वो डायरेक्टली हो जाएगा आपका मीडियन. वी हैव लर्न दिस इन ऑनलाइन क्लासेस. Suppose if your points are given like 7.5, तो what you have to do, 7th observation plus उसके बाद वाला observation, फिर वहाँ पे 5th observation नहीं लेना है. 7th observation plus next observation is your 8th observation. तो how we have to consider 7th observation plus 8th observation divided by 2. जो 7 नंबर पे वैल्यू होगा, जो 8 नंबर पे वैल्यू होगा, दोनों को ले लेना है divided by 2. तो 7.5 doesn't mean that 7th observation and 5th observation. It means 7 plus next observation. अगर ऐसे दिया हो 5.5 तो 5th observation प्लस उसके बाद वाला नेक्स्ट आएगा आपका 6th observation. So in this way you have to calculate the answers of your median. So do you calculate it? In the next video, we will go with the group data of median. So till then, stay tuned. Goodbye.